going to show you how to end a task when you are using a local user account on Windows 10. The menus will look different if you are a local user, but it is the same concept of getting to the task manager as you would if you weren't a local user. If your web page is not responding or your computer is frozen in any way, you can try to end the task and see if that will remedy the problem. First, you will press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete all at the same time and let go. A menu will pop up. You will then click Task Manager. Find and click on the web page or app that you would like to delete. Once you click to highlight it, click on End Task in the lower right-hand corner. That will immediately end the task and you will be able to hopefully go on and continue using your computer.